our next game is two truths and one lie. We want to understand a little bit more about your journey. So whether that's challenges or accomplishments, you need to give us three statements, from which two statements are the truth and one is a lie, and then we have to guess which one is the lie.
It can be related to details, anything.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Okay, go for it.
Okay. You get free food and drinks every time you go out. You get a lot of recognition, like through your work. And the third one is you make a lot of money. Let me see if you can guess.
You get free food and drinks.
I feel like that can be true, given that the number of F&B companies she works
Yeah,
with.
I know a couple of restaurant owners and they keep sending stuff to the table every time I go. So that I think can be true.
I think I'm gonna go with the second one's a lie, that you get a lot of recognition.
I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with the second one as well.
No.
The third one?
You get a lot of recognition. That is
Yeah?
true. Yeah, you get a lot of recognition. Like people know you.
Yeah.
But I mean, you don't always get free food and drinks.
Oh, that's the lie?
Yeah, because people think, I mean, at my level, yeah, but I'm saying, like, PR does not mean you only get food and
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's fine. I mean, we assume that you're level.
Yeah.
I'm saying agency-wise.
Yeah.
Like, if you're working in an agency.
Yeah. No, I
But
get what you
there
mean.
is another lie also. You don't make a lot of money.
Yeah. The way you
I had two lies and one truth.
No, but I think I would assume, and that's good to know that recognition is given, but I would have assumed that a lot of times they attributed more to the company than to the agency.
Yeah, no. Like recognition people give you. That's the nicest part about the job. That you actually, a lot of them, of course not everyone, but a lot of people really value you for what you do.
Yeah. And
by recognition, I thought you meant like, for example, like, I don't know, if you walked into a newly opened restaurant today, they would know who you are. Oh, okay, yeah, recognition, of course. I mean, anyone that helps, like, you help people build their company, so they have to give you that recognition. That's fair. Okay, yeah. Yeah, then I don't know why I chose number 2. I'd have definitely gone for number 3 because I know in service agencies the margins are always tough.
Yeah, no, even I thought of the money thing because of the way you said it as well. But I was like, because I mixed the both. Like I thought of it as like people recognizing you, but also like overall being given the recognition
for your work.
Like I think a lot of times it's behind closed doors instead of like out aloud.
No, there's enough articles about you online, so the recognition part is true only actually.